Hello and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. I have the absolute pleasure and delight to be showing you around and demonstrating some of the features on this beautiful 2017 2-litre Jaguar F-Type R-Dynamic. Now this 2017 vehicle has only covered 27,670 miles and backed up with full Jaguar service history. It's an absolutely delight to have in stock. It's in superb condition and actually has £5,345 worth of factory fit optional extras, of which I'll be showing you around and demonstrating for you now. Now we will start with the Glacier White Metallic Paint work. Really does look absolutely fantastic, also known as Yulong White. And I think the contrast with the black door mirrors, bonnet louvers, side vents, front splitter, and of course that fixed panoramic glass sunroof, which was £1,310 from new, really does make this car stand out. As I just show you around to the offside of the vehicle here, I can also show you that we have the 20-inch 6 split spoke style 6003 diamond turned alloy wheels. Those are actually £1,575 from new. We have keyless entry, keeping your key in your pocket or your bag. You can get into the car without having to use the key. Another £470. And other lovely features like the full electric seats and of course the Meridian surround sound system. This car certainly looks the part, it performs and has been extremely well looked after. We have the half leather and half Alcantara suede upholstery finish. And as I step into the vehicle here, what a pleasure it is to be. We have the reversing camera, which is activated as soon as you select reverse, selectable exhaust and extended spoiler, which I will show you around to shortly. I'm just scanning back here to the steering wheel, which is heated, keeping those hands nice and toasty in the colder months. I mentioned the extended spoiler. I've left that up for the sake of this exercise. And we do have that Jaguar emblem on the top there. And as previously mentioned, the reversing camera, making parking that little bit easier. We have a very low mileage, beautiful looking car, full service history, and an absolute delight to have in stock here at AMT. If you have any further questions or if you'd like to arrange a viewing of the vehicle, please give our award-winning sales team a call. We're happy to discuss all of your requirements, including finance, extended warranty, and of course our Lifeshine Auto Glim to protect that stunning paintwork. So thank you for watching. We look forward to speaking to you soon.